Fast forward to the future.
This world keeps turning, and we're safe and sound. But there's more to life, more to expound. This world keeps learning, with the knowledge we're unbound. No more debate that the earth is round. This world keeps earning more money than goes around. But where lies the wealth to take us off the ground? We're not alone, but there's no time for truth. For all we know, we're the galaxy of youth. I can see you, yeah, and I can see through. Fast forward the future, the life is found. No greed, no war, just a world profound. A new way of living, building in the underground. We're all free thinking of a life abound. Dimensions crossing in the ether that surrounds. Don't be afraid of a universe confound. We're not alone, but there's no time for truth. For all we know, we're the galaxy of you. I can see you, yeah, and I can see through. Who do we trust? Where do we go? When we're running out of time, when do we change? What do we do to open up our minds?
Fast forward to the future.